New York and New Jersey are about to turn over the ocean to big energy and raise your energy bills. They want to build industrial complexes off our beaches to import highly polluting liquefied natural gas, known as LNG, from places like Russia and the Middle East. LNG is up to 40% more polluting than American natural gas. It's almost as filthy as coal. And LNG is nearly twice as expensive as our domestic natural gas, which we have in abundance. New York and New Jersey demand green energy, not dirty, expensive foreign energy. Call your governor today and say no to LNG, big energy, and industrializing the ocean. It's not in your interest. It's only in big energy's interest. For information, go to cleanoceanaction.org.